Hello everyone, this is a review of the customer 775. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch, third generation. So the problem was drop off the iPad and broke the internal LCD. So the touch screen wasn't broken, but internet LCD was broken. You can see there. So we managed to replace the new LCD for the customers. If you have iPad or iPhone, any Apple devices, you wanna get our service or interested to fix it for you, and feel free to contact us at the Smiley service. Thank you. Bye bye.